Hello everybody, welcome back again to this model. I found out that the audio wasn't recording sometimes, so what I'm going to do is to have a quick update of the logic that we have seen. So if we go here, we can see the different logics, blocks, and syntax that we have for the PLC. If we opened the band, we can see we have the ladder, we have the CFC, and we have the syntax. On the syntax, it's important that we can use the same name of the function block directly, and you can make conditions. So all of these conditions that we have are Boolean conditions in order to make this. As you can see here, all the inputs that we have on the function blocks, even if it's ladder of CFC, is Boolean. And the condition, the output, is a Boolean also. So what you can do, for example, as I showed you the temperature example, you can have, for example, an AND, okay, a comparison of the AND, and then in the input you can have, for example, a contact, as I show you, and then here you can make another comparison, okay, and the output can be linked to the AND. That is what I have done on the structure test that I show you in this part over here in the training. Okay, that would be the idea, what I have done over here. So if we focus now in the structure test, I mentioned that you have the possibility to use the Boolean variables as I shown over here, just the variables, or you can make another conditions. Okay, for example, this one is equal true. Okay, is the same as select as x start. Okay, doesn't matter, but this notation is good just to figure it out how it's going to be the condition that we have. So here you can select false. Okay, and if you don't want this to be true, if you want to be the other way around, you can select not. Okay, so that would be a little bit of the idea. So this part is already finished for this for the syntax. You will need to pay attention that the result of all of this is going to be a Boolean variable. That is important to know. And the assignation, we need to use this icon, okay, in order to assign the Boolean value. It's important to know that we have and not condition. And here the expression, the simple one is this one, is the reduce of all this, okay? But it's important to know that this condition is always, the result of the condition must be Boolean, okay? That's why you have and or inside the logic blocks or the logic syntax that we have seen. And inside you can execute your code. And inside this code, it's possible also to have another if, so you can have an if inside another if, an if, an if. And if you don't want, for example, to create, as I show you on the example over here, okay, it's similar to this part, okay, but without all this. So in case you want, for example, if the temperature is bigger or the temperature is equal, you can select another else if and then execute another kind of code. Or if you want that all these conditions are different, you can execute this else. That's the idea. Just to zoom out this part. And if you compare the training of the ladder horizontal, probably not horizontal, here, don't tell me that I finish it here. Okay, we can compare this. So this ladder, this ladder view is the same as this one. Of course, this is going to be much easier to identify in just one view, but this one you can organize a little bit more the code compared with the ladder. And something important here is the negation. Here, if you right click on the inputs, you can negate the condition. So instead of the start being true, you can negate to be false at the beginning. And the same can be applied for these input outputs that we have, for this input and output that we have over here. So we delete this part. We just need to double negate this here. So let's add all this together. So instead of using this not, okay, you can use the negate. But I believe having the not is easy to identify that we are going to change the condition, okay? And we have already seen all this part. I just want to have a quick sum up of the different things that I've been talking through the video, and it wasn't recorded. So thank you very much for watching me again. I see you on the next one.